Hello, my name is Steve and welcome to the My Simple Trading Signals for 2013. I've revamped the trading signal service for 2013. It is going to include not only signals but systems, which I love, teaching and one-on-one support all in one membership package. Rather than have different sites with different systems, I wanted to put them all in one package and put all my effort towards that end. I'm a system guy. I like to find systems and use them for a long time. I've used the FOMC system for 10 years, NASDAQ system for 10 years, and they still work well. NASDAQ system, for example, has hit 70% winners in 2012 alone. I've introduced to you the FOMC announcement and FOMC minute systems over the last 6 months as well. Systems are my desire and I think can be simple and profitable, and that's what I want to share with you. But I know many people want signals as well, and I want to include that in this package also. So rather than just tell you what's in the membership package, I actually want to show you the back office of the membership page, that when you decide to become a member of My Simple Trading Signals, this is exactly what it's going to look like. So let's take a look. Alright, first you'll have a welcome video. Make sure you watch that. Just kind of gives you instructions of what to look for in this on the site. Next is your email address. Make sure you put in your best email address so I can keep you updated and so forth. But the meat of it is the systems. About 10 systems I give you, and these are just listed in random order. But for example, FOMC system trades 8 times a year. But to the right here, let's scroll over here a minute. It tells you when the next trade is. So you can put this in your calendar. January 31st is the next possible FOMC system trade. And for a lot of these systems, the FOMC system, FOMC announcement, end of the week oil, end of the week Dow, NASDAQ historical stats, NASDAQ holiday, and so forth, it has the dates for each of these next potential trades, which means you can put them on your calendar and work your day around the trade. So if you have a meeting, you can decide that you want to place a trade, then go to the meeting, so forth and so on, and put that on for all of 2013. So I know all the dates for 2013 for the FOMC system. I know all the dates for the end of the week oil system, end of the week Dow system, and I have those all on my calendar. That way I know I'm not going to miss a trade for those particular systems. But also for each of these systems, that for the FOMC system, the FOMC announcements, and many of the other ones, I have individual webinars for each of these systems. So if I click on the FOMC announcement system link, up comes the FOMC announcement system and what it's about. And if I scroll down here, you will see a webinar section, and it'll list when the next date for the webinar is and a link for the webinar and so forth. So you'll see that on each of the systems. You can click on each of them. It'll explain what that particular system is about and then give you a link for those webinars if there's a webinar. Some of the systems, for example the S&P Along for the Ride system, you're not able to have a webinar just because that particular system can happen at random times. But the S&P Along for the Ride system, for example, is last year, 2012, had 14 wins and 2 losses. So hit a great percentage. The FOMC minute system, for example, just in January 2013, it took a $7 trade and turned it into $100. So $93 profit on a $7 trade, which is well over 1,000% return on that particular trade. And I do webinars for each of those: end of the week oil system, end of the week Dow, historical stats, holiday stats, NASDAQ hedge system. You're going to get the Dow weekly daily system. Not a great name for it. Something that is new, hasn't been shown before, and happens 10 to 12 times in a year. The last 3 years, if you combined all 3 years, it's hitting 65% winners. And I'll have a video up for that the first week of February. So the membership will continue to change, to continue to grow. I should add between 2 to 5 different additional trading systems in 2013. That's the plan. And a lot of these trading systems, again, I have traded for a long time. FOMC system, I've traded for 10 years. NASDAQ system, NASDAQ holiday stats, hedge systems, I've traded those for 10 plus years. These three here haven't traded for very long, but looking back the past 6 years, they're each over 70% winners. FOMC announcement, FOMC minutes systems, I haven't traded them for maybe almost a year now, but they can produce, like I mentioned, a $7 trade into a $100 profit in one trade. So, but all those systems don't trade a ton, but they are usually 70% plus or offer a huge return, like the FOMC minutes and announcement trades. Next, I talk about a section called Trading with Goals. This is something I'm really excited about, and will be available the first, second week of February. I think it goes in well with the trading money management section. I think it's really important and something I'll be focusing on a lot in 2013. Trading with goals, knowing what you want out of your trading ahead of time, because I think that bleeds into the money management section. You know, it makes things a lot easier if you have a specific goal. Your money management becomes a lot more clearer if you know what your end goal is for your trading, whether it's retirement, lose your or quit your job, or buy a new car, or whatever the case is. Trading with goals is an important section, and I'm excited to share that with you. Trading money management, we'll have that as well around the second or third week of February. A teaching corner, which is will be constantly updated, talk about daily charts, support, resistance, risk, reward, many topics in there. If you have a topic you want me to talk about and teach on via webinar or video, I'll do that. And again, that teaching corner will start the second, third week of February. Some additional things coming soon on top of many other things that I didn't list, but Stock Trading Corner, just going over some of the historical stuff of my own stock trading. You don't have to be a stock trader to get something out of this section, and there's not going to be a whole lot of recommendations in the stock area, but just another additional thing. Like I said, I wanted to put most of the all the information on trading kind of in one membership package, so you can pick and choose what portions you want to use. Trading idea contest. Think you have a killer trading system, want to share it with the members. If your system looks good to me and I share it with the rest of the members, you can win up to $1,000. We'll talk about that more as things progress. A trading room, which is where the signals will be produced. It'll be a live webinar, share my thoughts on the market and any trades that I feel I'll be doing for the day. This is on top of the additional system webinars. So the FOMC webinars, the NASDAQ webinars, all those webinars will be completely separate from the trading room. The trading room will meet Monday through Wednesday. We will not meet on Thursdays and Fridays. And it'll be from 9:20 in the morning to 9:40 Eastern Time, and that begins on February 4th. Now, there's also a one-on-one time with Steve. You want to have some more in-depth time with me each month. Get 15 minutes with me. Discuss whatever you want, your trading goals. If you want to say, "Hey, I've got $500. I really like to in couple of years be able to do X, Y, Z," we'll kind of discuss things, go over kind of a plan, what I would do, the different things to look for, what to avoid, etc., etc. Anything you really want in those 15 minutes, they're up to you, and we'll discuss anything related to whatever you want to talk about. And that it'll be appointment set, and that'll begin starting February 11th. 2 to 5 more trading systems, as I mentioned before, during 2013. Also, a Trade of the Week section. This is something new. Trade of the Week is basically, just like it says, a Trade of the Week. It's something that I really feel confident in the market. It could happen any day of the week, Monday through Friday. I hope to have a little bit of give you a little time. Hey, I'm really looking at this particular trade. I think it'll happen on Wednesday, and hopefully give you that information on Tuesday, and then kind of give you the here, this is what I'm doing, and this is the trade of the week ahead of time. So, but it'll be based on charts, what the market's doing, and so forth. And again, this is on top of the FOMC systems and all the other systems and the webinars and everything else. So this is a trade of the week. There will only be one trade of the week every week, and again, that is on top of the signals and the webinars and the systems as well. And then also you'll have my Skype and Yahoo Messenger ID. You can contact me throughout the day. If you say, hey, I'm really looking at the Euro US dollar right now. I'm looking to buy it for the next for the rest of the day. What do you think on it? I'll give you my opinion if I'm on Skype and Yahoo Messenger. Obviously, I got to sleep at some point, so but if I'm on there, I'll definitely give you my opinion and thoughts on that whenever you so desire on those particular things. So you can hit me up via Skype, Yahoo Messenger. That's also the best way, easiest, quickest way for me to contact you. If I really see something out of whack in the markets, I will contact you and via Skype, Yahoo Messenger, and go from there. As you can see, we have a lot in the membership package and a lot more to be added in the coming weeks and months. Although I'm offering a lot in this package, I wanted to make it reasonable for any trader to get involved in. I want to focus on the membership and give a ton of value to the current members, so I will only have the membership package open a few days a month. That way I can deal with current members and give them the best support as possible and quality. The membership is just $97 per month. You can cancel anytime, and I have a guarantee. Try the My Simple Trading Signals package out for 30 days. If you don't like it, if you don't think I gave you at least 2 to 3 times your membership price, then just send me an email for a full refund. I call it the Shame on Steve refund. Just send me an email with a subject line, Shame on Steve. I'm putting everything into this membership package. It's the only thing I want to do for 2013. So getting an email from you saying shame on Steve will be gut-wrenching, but something I will need to hear. And quite honestly, if you're not getting the value out of it, I don't want you to stay. If you'd like to get started, though, with everything I shared with you so far, plus the Shame on Steve guarantee, then click the Add to Cart button below to get started. I hope to see you inside. Have a great trading day. Take care.